So my friend recommended we try kansi while we were here in Bacolod.
And then may sabaw. Ihalo-halo mo lang.
Honestly, first time ko ata, or at least, hindi ko maalala na I've tried this before. So I didn't really know what to expect. Yung karne, super lambot. Perfect kasama ng sabaw. Very comforting sa tiyan. Unang subo ng sabaw and it was like a mix of sinigang na bulalo tapos may tangy kick na iba.
Parang bulalo ka na, parang sinigang, parang...
Umorder kami ng isang malaking bowl na good for sharing. Pero di namin naubos kasi ang dami ng serving. We came here with an empty stomach and left with a full one. And a warm one din. Solid first time experience. Kayo ba? Nakatikim na din ba kayo nito?